Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I don't know about you, but I like to use super hot water when I am washing my dishes, and my hands have been so dry lately and cracking. I found these perfect gloves for small hands by KAQ. I usually have a lot of trouble finding dishwashing gloves that aren't too big for my hands because I have very small hands. And I also hate that my sleeves always get wet, but these gloves have been absolutely perfect. I love the cute design with the flowers that comes up nice and high so your sleeves don't get wet. They have 3 different colors, so you can use these for whatever. I basically just use them for dishwashing, but you can use them for gardening, dishwashing, cleaning, whatever you want. If you're in need of a new set of gloves, I highly recommend these ones. I love that it comes in the 3-pack. The colors are super nice and the design is so cute, and your sleeves will not be getting wet anymore. I love these and I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.